welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you the watches that I have over here, or a watch collection video if you will. And before I get on with the video, there is a small and a crisp disclaimer that I would like to give. Dear haters, I know you are wondering if all these items are purchased by myself, but just to let you know and keep you informed that everything and anything that I show on this video are either endorsed product, which means I get it through different companies, or else it is purchased by me with my own hard-earned money. So instead of spreading negativity and talking bad about others, try and develop something called hobby or get something called job. That will make your life much brighter, much easier, and much positive. And for all the people who love me unconditionally, love me for who I am, and watch my videos and love me for all the videos that I put up on any of my social medias, for you guys, without further ado and much rambling, let's get started. All the watches that I'll be showing you are purchased in India except one. So let me go ahead and get started with the first one. I have a plethora of watches, however, I could not bring all of them here because it is a little difficult to carry, because there is a weight constraint if you're taking a flight. So I got the watches that I wear the most. So the first watch that I'm going to show you is a brand that is manufactured in Bangalore, India, and it's a local brand, a local Bangalorean brand, and this is how the watch looks. It has crystals over here at the center of the dial, and it's in silver and rose gold. This is the rose gold one and this is the silver one. This is how it looks. This, if I'm not mistaken, is also available on Amazon. If I find the link, I will link it in the description box down below. So if you like it, you can purchase it for yourself. And this was very inexpensive. This was, if I'm not mistaken, was for 1100 or 1000 INR. And this is something I wear the most. And I'll show you how it looks. I usually do not like wearing watches on my right hand, but I like them wearing on my left wrist. So let me go ahead and wear it and show it to you. This is how it looks on my wrist. The next watch that I'm going to show you was again purchased online on Amazon. I will try and link it in the description box down below, like I said. And this is by Timex. It is gold in color. The belt is completely gold in color. Has a regular clasp like this. And inside it has rhinestones, like you can see, and the color inside is that of clarified butter. So this is the regular clasp, the regular one, and this is how it looks on my wrist. The cost of this watch was around 2000 to 2500. I'm not positive, but somewhere there. And yeah, the next watch that I'm going to show you is my first smart watch, because I haven't had any smart watch before. So I thought I'll get one of the most poshest looking smart watch in the market, and I purchased it again. Everything is purchased with my own hard-earned money. So even this was purchased by myself. I gifted it to myself on my birthday. So this is the watch. It is in rose gold color, and on the belt it has Swarovski crystals, or rhinestones if you will. And on the circumference of the watch, you will get rhinestones or crystals. Now this watch looks like this. Here is the button and if you press it, it will take you to the settings. these are all the settings that you have. Change the faces. You can also check your, you know, outdoor activity. So again, for weight watches, this is an excellent watch, and this is really cool. It looks beautiful. It doesn't look like a smart watch. It's a very pretty looking watch. However, if I have to compare Fossils and iWatch, I would always recommend this one because you can, you know, use it underwater as well. So it has many benefits. And this is little fancier, little different, little unique. This one was again purchased in Bangalore, India, and this was around, I think, 20,000 INR, and in Hong Kong dollars again it will be somewhere 2,000 Hong Kong dollars. So yeah. The next watch that I'm going to show you is the one that I purchased over here. It's an iWatch. This is how it looks. The watch itself is rose gold in color. It has only one button over here, and the strap is lavender in color. You get metallic magnetic straps as well. However, I like this because lavender is in right now, and it matches or goes well with all the outfits that I wear. And once you press this button, it takes you to the different apps that are installed inside the watch. This is extremely helpful for people who are weight watchers. This will give you the accurate kilometers that you have walked, how many calories you have burned. There are other smartwatches as well, like the Fitbits. However, I found this one more efficient and more accurate. So if you're a weight watcher, go ahead and save your money and purchase an iWatch. It will help you to track your activity indoor and outdoor, and will give you the accurate measurements as well. And this is how you wear it. It has a small, I don't know, clasp kind of a thingy here, and you put it in any of these hoops, and this belt goes inside. This, like I said, this I purchased from Hong Kong. So this was around 2,300 to 2,500 Hong Kong dollars. Now the next watch that I'm going to show you, this was again a gift to me, by me, with my own money, and this is my designer watch, my first designer watch ever, and I love the color. It matches my complexion, matches my outfits that I wear, and this is by Michael Kors. It has 3 buttons over here. The watch is rose gold in color, and this is blush pink ceramic line that goes on the strap, rhinestones or Swarovski crystals around it, if you will, and it has rhinestones inside too. And the dial is on mother of pearls. And the best part of this watch is you can engrave your name at the back. So if you look closely, you will find my name over here, Pinky. Michael Kors, you have done an excellent job, and thank you for creating this for me. This watch I purchased in Bangalore, India, and this was for around 20,000 INR. and in Hong Kong dollars it will be somewhere around 2,000 Hong Kong dollars. So, and that's all for today's video, folks. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. All my social media handle will be listed in the description box, so go follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest and also on Instagram. Please do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.